Understanding, it's been real. A phrase guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase. It's been real. This phrase is commonly used in English-speaking countries, and understanding its nuances can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's get started. It's been real is a phrase used to express that an experience, often a social interaction or a period of time spent with someone, was genuine, authentic, and meaningful. It implies that the time was well spent and appreciated. This phrase is often used at the end of a conversation or meeting as a way to acknowledge the value of the time spent together. Understanding when and how to use "it's been real" is crucial. It's typically used in informal settings among friends or acquaintances. You might hear it at the end of a social gathering, a casual meeting, or even after a significant life event. However, it's less appropriate in formal or professional contexts due to its casual nature. There are variations of this phrase, such as, "It's been real fun," or "It's been a real pleasure," which add a specific feeling or emotion to the statement. Similar phrases include, "It's been great," or "I've really enjoyed this." Each variation subtly changes the meaning and tone, offering a range of expressions for different situations. It's important to understand the cultural nuances of "it's been real." In some contexts, it might be used sarcastically or ironically, especially if the experience wasn't particularly enjoyable. Recognizing the tone and context in which it's said is key to understanding its true meaning. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, "It's been real." We hope this video has been insightful and helps you in your journey of mastering the English language. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the subtleties of phrases and their usage. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the beauty of English expressions.